really do it today because I'm working out. So let's get my breakfast. This is the time right now. So it's about 11 o'clock now, pretty much. That's the time there. So the time I finish this workout is pretty much finished the morning, but I'm gonna carry on until my morning routine finishes. So my morning routine, depending on when I start working out on the workout days, could finish around like 1 o'clock or 12, or it could normally finish around 11 if I work out that early. But I'm normally up around like between 8 and 9:30. Today I woke up at 9:30, so that's why I'm like a little bit late, but this is normally the average time I work out between, so I'm still on track. Even though I try and have like a slow morning every single morning, this is the most busiest time I'm normally working, like productive, is working out. So I'm gonna work out now and then we'll see what else I get up to. Well, I'll show you the rest of my morning routine, even if it is like 12 o'clock. Today I'm going to be working on my Switch. I've got a workout game that I do, so that's what I'm gonna do today. I normally go between this and the treadmill. Is the workout today, how long I did. So this is the end of my morning routine. It is about nearly 1 o'clock now, like I said it would be, but I did finish getting ready around like 12:30. I just carried on with my day. I forgot to end the video, but I do want to talk for about like this and all the stuff, that the workout that I do. So first of all, I haven't used this for ages, but we got this Tiger Tie Flying Tiger, I think. And I use that, or I need to start using it for my left hand to work the muscles. So I've got that. I've got loads of equipment that I didn't even show you that sometimes I use. I will admit I don't use it on a daily basis, but I use the treadmill and the game that I was playing, the workout game I was playing. I might do a full-on video of my workout on all the equipment that I've got. Let me know if you want that. But pretty much that's all I do. Is I probably walk the dogs, but that's during my day. So I work out, have my breakfast and chill out. There's not much to it. Like I said, the most productive I am in the morning is when I work out. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and there'll be a night routine soon, so keep an eye out for that.